We started this anytime they want unit rate or rate of change, they're wanting the slope. So you're going to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You're going to put these in ordered pairs right here, and this in ordered pairs. Remember, time is always x. This case, x equals time in days. So that's a quick hint on where this goes. Remember, this is x and this is y. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. We did this in class, but if you had trouble with the night's homework before, for those of you who were out, you want to isolate the y here. You want y by itself, so you need to get rid of the 4 and the 12. Okay, you have to subtract the 12 first, minus 12. So your answer is 4x minus 12 equals to 4y. And right now you divide everything by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1x minus 3 equals to y. Oh, y is now by itself and we are in slope-intercept form. The slope is the slope. Find the slope. M stands for slope or rate of change. It's 1 over 1. That means up 1, right 1. And the y-intercept is 0, negative 3. Okay, we did this in class. Also, we got rid of the fractions by multiplying all of them by the least common denominator. The least common denominator in this case is 4, so we times it by 4. Okay, and that gives us 4 doesn't work because this doesn't go into. Wrong, least common denominator is not 4 because that can't divide into 4. So, least common denominator then is 8. Leave everything inside parentheses alone. Okay, cross cancel. That gives us 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 16. Cross cancel gives us 1. 1 times 3 is 3m. And then you finish solving this. You first distribute. Distribute. 30 minus 60 minus 16. 3m. Okay, so finish solving that. That's negative 76. 30m equals to 3m. So be careful that you notice that's a negative number, additive inverse. Okay, we did these two in class, so we'll do the back here. Uh-oh, what in the world? I wonder how long that's been there. Well, anyways, if not, this is what I did. Least common denominator 8. And we got rid of that and got this answer right here. Okay. Skip this here, here. You need to identify the rate of change or slope in this case. It's negative 2. That's the coefficient next to x. That means negative 2 over 1 because it's a negative here. It means to go down 2 and to the right 1. You start at, though we don't know where to start at. You start out at y-intercept, 0, negative 3. Okay, the y-intercept in this case is 0, negative 3. Here's 0. Negative 3 is down here. Just put in one number like this, negative 1, 1, 1, and negative 1. Or if you just put two numbers, that would help me a lot. Okay? And then you start out with this right here. 0, -3. Start out with the y-intercept, 0, -3. And you go down 2, right 1. Down 2, 1, 2, right 1. Right there. And you continue this down 2, right 1. Up 2, left 1. Okay, up 2, left 1. And that's the line. Use a ruler, make it straighter. Okay, number 4, same thing. The rate of change, or the slope, is 3. It's the number next to the x, the variable x. It's the coefficient next to x. 3, positive, so it's going up 3 and right 4. Okay, rise, overrun, rise, overrun. Your y-intercept is -7. So 0, -7 is your y-intercept. 0, -7. -1, -3, -7 right here. And you go up 3, right 4. Up 3, right 4 ones. Right there. Isaac, are you done with your homework, son? Isaac, are you done with your homework? Are you done with your homework? Okay. You finish your math, history, science? Okay. So run out of room, you go down 3, make sure it's all lined up straight. It's not lined up straight, it's not linear. These are linear equation. Linear mean they're straight. So make sure they're straight. Now, I'll go to the last few problems. This is the same thing. This is 1. Your rate of change is 1 over 1, or slope in this case. Your y-intercept is 0, -2 right here. Okay? You start out on the graph on there and you go up 1, right 1. Okay. Back here, you need to combine these two first. X with the x. You get 2x plus 2 equals to y. Your rate of change is 2 over 1. And your y-intercept is at 0, 2. So it means you go up 2, right 1. Okay, that's where you start. 0, 2, that's the y-intercept. Go up 2 over 1. It says up 2, right 1. Connect these dots. I can't connect them straight on iPad. I don't know why. Make arrows because it can keep going forever. Same thing here. You combine this. This is the rate of change. Down 1, right 2. So if there's any question, same thing here. Combine these like term first. You got y equals to 1x minus 3. Your rate of change is 1 over 1. Your y-intercept is 0, -6. Okay. Basically, that's the graph. The nickel and dime one, I'll upload the graph one first for kids who were out. So I'm going to stop here.